Hello everyone. So today we are going to start exercise 13.3 question number 2. Probability. Question number 2 is a bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. Another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the two bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag. What you have to do? So suppose this is two bags, yes, right? Yes. In the first bag, bag 1, 4 red balls are there and 4 black balls are there, yes, right? And in another bag, 2 red balls and 6 black balls are there. Okay? Yes. And question is, one of the two bags is selected at random, right? So first we have to find the probability of each bag of selection. So we'll write, first we have to write the statement, let E1 selecting first bag. So first of all we have to define each term. Whatever you are writing you have to define. So E1 is the event of selecting first bag, right? Yes. And E2 is the event for selecting second bag. Right? Yes. Then we have to write the probability of bag 1 like this, PE1. Okay? So it will be 1 by 2 and probability of E2 will be 1 by 2. Clear? Now, further we will move. What is written? One of the two bags is selected at random. Bags is selected. Okay. Now, a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. See, one ball is drawn and that ball is red. That ball is found to be red. So that ball can be from the bag 1 or from the bag 2. Yes. So this will be the event which will cover both of the bags. Let us, this event is A, right? Yes. So we write A is event of drawing a red ball. Drawing a red ball. Now, what we have to write? We have to see two cases. Yes. Either this red ball is drawn from the first bag, or either the red ball is drawn from the second bag. It means that you have to find PA by E1. It means that you are selecting the red ball from the bag 1. So this will be what? This will be 4 by 8 and it will be 1 by 2. Clear? Yes. Clear, Sumit? Now, next we have to find probability of the red ball from the second bag. Yes. So in the second bag we see that there are 2 red balls and total balls are 8. So it will be 2 by 8. So it will be 1 by 4. Yes. Clear? Yes. Now, further you move, it is written that find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag. It means that you have to find the probability of the bag 1. Yes. Right? Yes. So you have to find the probability of bag 1. And which event is done? Red ball is drawn. So red ball is drawn and you have to find that it is drawn from the. So by using the base theorem, yes, what you write? You will write PE1 into PA by E1 by PE1 PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Clear? Yes. So after that, we will put the values. So what we are getting? We are getting the value of PE1 is 1 by 2 and the probability of PAE by 1 is 1 by 2. Here again 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus probability of E2 is what? 1 by 2 and probability of A E by 2 is what? 1 by 4. Okay, now you have to solve. So what you are getting? 1 into 1, 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Clear?
Yes.
Now we have to solve it. So what we are getting in the numerator, 1 we will write, the 4 will come down here. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So it will be 1 by, when you multiply you will get 1 plus 1 by 2, right?
Yes.
So you are getting 1 by, this is 3 by 2. So you are getting finally 2 by 3. So this is the final answer. Clear? So now we have to do question number 3. Question number 3 is, of the students in a college, it is known that 60% reside in hostel and 40% are day scholars. Day scholars means who
Everyday comes to
resides outside, you can say. Okay, they are not residing in the hostel. Previous year's results report that 30% of the students who reside in hostel attain A grade. Okay, means who are residing in the hostel, they are getting A grade, and the probability is what? 30%. And 20% of day scholars attain A grade. So this is the previous year's record, right?
Yes.
At the end of the year, one student is chosen at random from the college and he has A grade. Got it? So what is the probability that the student is a hostelier? So let us see by the diagram. So suppose this is E1 and this is E2. This is hostelier who resides in the hostel. Okay?
Yes.
And E2 is
Day scholar.
day scholar. Day scholar. So according to question, the probability of E1, that is the probability of hostelier is what?
60%.
60%. 60% means 0.6.
Yes.
Okay? And probability of E2, that is the day scholars, is what?
40%.
40%. So 40% means 0.4. Got it? Now, one student is selected. See, one student is selected. Either that student can be from hosteliers or the student can be from the day scholars, right? So
What has a grade
let A is the event for attaining the grade A. So you will write A attain A grade.
Yes.
So according to question, it is written that from the previous year's record, it is found that PAE by E1, that is the student who attain A grade, and if he hostelier, his probability is 30%. 30% means 0.3, and PA by E2 means that if the student is outsider or day scholar, his probability is 20%. So it is 0.2. So we have to find, what we have to find? We have to find that what is the probability that the student is a hostelier and he is getting A grade. So we have to find P1 by A, right? So what we are going to use here? Again we are going to use the Bayes theorem. So according to Bayes theorem, P1 by A is A by E1 multiplied with PE1 by PE1 into PA by E1 plus
PE2 into PA by E2.
PA by E2. So only now we have to solve. We have to put the values and we have to solve. So it will be, what is the value of PE1? 0.6 and PA by E1 0.3. So again here 0.6 into 0.3 plus 0.4 into 0.2. Nice. So it will be 0.18 by 0.18 plus 0.08. So it will be No, 0.08. So it will be 0.18 by 0.26, and it will be 18 by 26, and it will be 9 by 30. Don't be confused. 0.4 at 0.4 into 0.2 is 0.08. 0.08, not 0.8. Question number 4. Now see students, question number 4 is, in answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either knows the answer or guesses. See, right, Nandini?
Yes.
See, two kinds of students are there.
Yes.
Either the student knows the answer, or guesses the answer. Right? Two categories are there.
Yes.
So let this is E1 and this is E2.
Yes.
Okay. Now according to question, probability of E1 is what? See, it is clearly written that in answering a question on a multiple choice test, a student either knows answer or guesses. Let 3 by 4 be the probability that he knows the answer. 3 by 4 is the probability that knows the answer, and
PE2.
1 by 4 be the probability that he guesses. So 1 by 4 is the probability that he guesses. See, one thing I want to tell you, whenever you are writing P1, P2, P3, if you want to check that whatever you are writing that is correct or not, it might be there are many informations given in the question, but it is not necessary that you are putting all the information correctly. So if you want to check, just add this. If you are getting 1, it means it is correct.
Yes.
So you will see that 3 by 4 is there, 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is, it means you are writing correctly. Got it? Now furthermore, in the question it is written that he what is that? Yes, assuming that a student who guesses at the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 4. See what is given? It is given that assuming that a student who guesses the answer will be correct with probability 1 by 4. It means that what is given? It is given that suppose A is for correct answer. See, A is for correct answer. A is the event that the answer is correct. Right? So, probability that the answer is correct but it is guessed, and the probability is given 1 by 4. Right? Now, so if the answer is correct, what is the probability that the student knows the answer? PA by E1. You tell me what will be that?
So that will be 1.
1. So means this will be 1. Why this will be 1?
It's a complementary to each other.
Yes. Actually, if a student knows the answer, right, the answer will be correct.
Yes.
That's why the probability will be 1. Got it? Now what we have to find? We have to find that what is the probability that the student knows the answer given that he answered it correctly. It means that we have to find P1 by A. Clearly?
Yes.
Again we are going to use what? Base theorem.
Base.
So it will be P1 into PA by E1 by PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Clearly?
Yes.
Now we have to put the values. What is the value? What is the value of PE1? This is 3 by 4. And A by E1?
1.
A by E1? 1. Okay. So this is 3 by 4 into 1 plus what is the probability of E2? PE2? 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So now we have to solve. So this will be 3 by 4 and this will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 16. So this will be 3 by 4 and this will be the LCM of 4 and 16 will be 16. 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1. So finally you are getting 3 by 4 into 16 by 13. So 4 4 is 16. So you are getting the answer what?